Hello children, now we are discussing about the part 7, that is development as progress over time. They are telling about the Himachal Pradesh. So here we can see about the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is an hilly region. Hilly region means they are covered with mountains and the hills, yes or no? And that region will be on the altitude region. Next is low density of population, means the population, the density, the people are living low density of the population will be there, and there many rural areas will be there. Many rural areas and mainly village areas, do not developed areas will be there, undeveloped areas will be there in the Himachal Pradesh. So see, by seeing all these things, the hilly region, less density, and mainly rural areas will be more there. Yes, by seeing all these things also, I can tell you one thing, that the Himachal Pradesh has an high literacy rate in our country. What is the meaning of high literacy rate? Ante education vishamlo, it has a top role in India. So Himachal Pradesh has an high literacy rate in our country. So we can see these all things without proper facilities, how the Himachal Pradesh has an high literacy rate. So here they are telling that, see, the government started schools and made sure that the education was largely free or cost very little for the parents. So the Himachal Pradesh government, they started the schooling, okay, free education for the children. So they have started free education for the children, or very less fees in the schools. They have started in that way, and they try to ensure that the schools at least the minimum facilities. So they have started not only the schools, okay, and with low fees or the free education, okay, they have started providing facilities in the schools like teachers, means for the good education the teachers are required, yes or no? So they have provided teachers, classrooms and the construction of the school buildings and other. Next, toilets, means providing toilet. See, in many schools till now in the rural areas, not only the schools, in rural areas there was no proper toilet facilities. Yes, there was no proper toilet facilities. But the Himachal Pradesh government had decided to provide toilet facilities for the schools, and separation means separate toilets for girls and boys. Okay, they are provided in that way. And next is main thing, drinking water facilities. Teachers, classroom, toilets and drinking water facilities, and they have improved and expanded. What they are telling, not only providing these facilities, they have improved day to day, the improvement was there in these facilities, and they have expanded. Next coming to, so the government budget on education of each child. So in 2005, the country has spent the country gave an educational development. So they have spent per child in the whole country, that is 1049 per individual child. Ante prati okka child ki 1049 rupees government has been provided. So for every child the government is provided 1049 in rest of the country. Ante mottam country lo prati okka children ki, school going children ki 1049 rupees spend chesnanu anamata. But coming to Himachal Pradesh, they have spent 2005 rupees on each child. So they have spent 2005 rupees for the each child for the improvement of the children. Understood? So free government aim provide chesindi, government prati okka government 1049 provide chestunte, Himachal Pradesh government matram 2005 rupees they have spent on the each child for the education, improvement in their education. So here they are telling that, see, they gave one word in the Himachal Pradesh school experience, the teacher loves us. So survey చేసేటప్పుడు children ఇచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ అన్నమాట, the teacher loves us Okay, next is and teachers as well. So in that survey they have told, the children have told that the teacher loves us and teaches us well. So in the meaning itself only we can understood like how the facilities are there in Himachal Pradesh. So here they are telling that in Himachal Pradesh, see, mainly they will take care of the higher children, higher classes children to become to reach their goals in their life. Here they gave you Himachal Pradesh has come out at least 10 years of schooling for children. So ప్రతి ఒక్క చైల్డ్కి 10 years స్కూల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండాలి, స్కూలింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఒక రూల్ పెట్టి సి అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ది అంగన్వాడీస్ for below 5 years of age group children, and they are providing schools for the above 6 age group of the children. So 6 to 15 years is a school education age. So the Himachal Pradesh government said that compulsory 10 years of education should be must to the child. And here they gave you, and one thing in every, like now we are facing in everywhere gender bias. What is the meaning of the gender bias? What is the meaning of gender bias? Showing differentiation, okay, discrimination between boys and girls. Showing discrimination between boys and girls, gender bias. So these type of discriminations were not there in Himachal Pradesh. So next is child mortality rate, means IMR, infant mortality rate. They have taken care about the children who are dying below 5 years of age group, and they have started providing anganwadis for the children, like take caring of the mother and the children. Next they have greater say in household decisions also. Here, and one more interesting thing is women. The women also equally participated in the Mahila Mandals, okay, and the women also equally they have participated in every aspect of the life. So by taking care of the jobs, their employment, by taking care of their employment and taking care of the household things. So ఇంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేస్తూ మొత్తం ఫ్యామిలీని నడిపిస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట ఉమెన్. సో ద ఉమెన్ ఆర్ ద స్పెషల్ రోల్ ఇన్ హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్. ఓకే, దే హ్యావ్ అన్ ఎకనామికల్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అండ్ సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. What is economically independent? See, they have taught that their children should grow health and wealth wise. Health అంటే ఏంటి? ఆరోగ్యంగా. వెల్త్ అంటే సంపద పరంగా. ఓకే, సంపద మనం సంపాదించాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ మనం చదవాలి. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈజ్ మస్ట్ ఫర్ ది వెల్త్. Yes, to earn wealth, education is must. So they have started that economically independent. They are being economically independent, and they have started to be like a self-confident woman. And Himachal mothers expect their daughters to work outside home after marriage also. So what they are telling, marriage aina tarvata kuda, after marriage also their mothers are expected their daughters should work and to look at the home. మ్యారేజ్ అవ్వంగానే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆపకుండా మ్యారేజ్ అవ్వంగానే చదువుకుంటూ లేదా వర్క్ చేసుకుంటూ ఇంట్లో హౌస్ హోల్డ్ థింగ్స్ కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. దే ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. సో హియర్ దే గేవ్ యూ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఇన్ హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్. So government is providing these certain facilities. Why not the children will go to schools? Yes or no? Government ఇంత మంచిగా అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంటే పిల్లలు ఎందుకు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళి చదువుకోరు? ఖచ్చితంగా చదువుకుంటారు. దే విల్ లెర్న్ అండ్ దే విల్ గెట్ వెల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. సో హియర్ దే గేవ్ యూ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఇన్ హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్. సో దే ఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్. ఓకే, here I write they are comparing Himachal Pradesh with total India. So Himachal Pradesh they are comparing with total India. So the first thing they gave here, percentage with more than 5 years of education. Okay, minimum 1 to 5th class education. Above 6 years child. So they are comparing with 2 years. 1993, 2006. 1993 and year 2006. 2 times they have did survey. So they are telling that school, like girls going to school in 1993 is 39 and 2006 is 60. And percentage of boys 6 plus years with more than 5 years of education. 5 years of education means above 5th class work education unnadi. 1993 is 57 and 2006 is 75 they gave you. And they are comparing Himachal Pradesh with all India. So Himachal Pradesh is just one state in India. They are comparing one state to all India. మొత్తం ఇండియాలో 1993లో స్కూల్ గోయింగ్ గర్ల్స్ మీన్స్ 5th క్లాస్ అబౌవ్ చదివిన వాళ్ళు 28 and in 2006 it is 40. Coming year boys is 51 and year 57. So in this table you can see the difference between the Himachal Pradesh school going children comparing to all India school going children. Because in Himachal Pradesh they have provided certain facilities for the people. They have provided facilities and schools for the children with free education and free health. So every child will go to the school at that time. So in India also if we are providing in that way. So after 2006 the India has developed as much and they have started providing free education and free food like midday meal program also they have started in India. Okay, and now the improvement was there. So what I am telling is development of the country will be there when the each and every individual in the country is developed. డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది ఎలా వస్తుందంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క ఇండివిజువల్ డెవలప్ అయినప్పుడే డెవలప్మెంట్ అంటూ వస్తుంది. సో హియర్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ ఇన్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 26 what I wrote you on the board, like the table they gave percentage of girls, percentage of boys, school going children in Himachal Pradesh and in India. So do remember one thing, development will become when the every individual is developing the country. Understood children? So this is the last and we have ended this lesson. Thank you.